Electrical issues are common in Mazda CX-5 models from 2017 to 2023. When your vehicle fails to start, check the key fob battery first. Next, look for warning lights on the dashboard. A completely dead response often indicates battery, fuse, or starter problems. Try a battery reset by disconnecting the negative terminal for 10 to 15 minutes. This can clear ECU glitches without losing data. If the reset doesn't work, check the fuses next. Locate the fuse boxes under the hood and dashboard. Refer to your owner's manual to identify fuses related to the ignition and starter. Common culprits are often fuse number 1, main power, or number 5, accessory. Replace any blown fuses. If the problem persists, it could be a faulty starter solenoid, a known recall issue for some models, or a deeper electrical problem. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like P0562, low voltage, or U100, CAN bus error. For persistent issues, especially after trying these steps, consult a certified mechanic or Mazda dealer. Battery replacement or more extensive diagnostics might be needed.